morning children, welcome back to our social studies class. Let's start with our social studies with the topic cave paintings. But as we all know that cave painting are the source of knowledge about the early humans. So again, the early humans, they were not knowing how to read and write. So how they were expressing themselves? They were expressing themselves by drawing painting inside the caves. Actually, these paintings of early human, it reflects the different ideas, different moods through which they underwent in those days. Again, beta, these cave paintings of early these humans were not discovered by the archaeologist. Okay, actually these were discovered, and or you may say that they were first found in France. Okay, when some of the children, they were playing in the jungle. Woods mean here jungle, and what they discovered the entrance to a cave. They got an entrance which was again leading to the cave. Then at the entrance was actually hidden by a tree, and these children, those who were playing there, they discovered it. Okay, the painting inside the cave again reflected again outstanding art that the early human used to express themselves. It is basically actually had a pictures of animals and things that they saw around themselves. Means what these pictures are showing that what kind of animals they were having at that time. Actually these are the pictures. They were looking around. Okay, the early humans were looking around. Okay, most often animals or hunting scenes are painted over there, and dyes which they were using are made from fruits and plants and charcoal. Okay, though not much is known about the early humans, yet it is also believed that it took them thousands of years to give up their nomadic life and settle down in a life which was much closer to the modern human. So it is again, we do not know how they were living and how much time they took to become a normal human, but it is believed that they must have taken thousands of years to give up their nomadic life. Now nomadic life I have already discussed with you, that the nomads are those who are not settled on a one place, they are moving from one place to another. Come to here button milestone. Name two sources which tell us about the early human. Write down here fossils and cave paintings. Where were the first hominid fossils discovered? Africa. Then is find out two things that are reflected in the cave paintings at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. First is your use of stone tools, and second is your lifestyles of early humans. Move to the next page. Take out your back exercises. First comes your fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. The biological name for human or man is Homo. For ages, it has been believed that man and apes were related. Next comes beta, the early humans or hominids first appeared in Africa. Then fourth one is your fossils are remains of living things that have been turned into stone or have left impressions in a stone. Then fifth one is your, the early humans express themselves by drawing inside the caves. Next comes our true false. The biological name for human or a man is primates. False it is. Next comes our second one is yours. Homo erectus means upright man. True it is. Right on in front of this T. Then is your, the early humans or hominids first appeared in Australia. False. It's Africa, not Australia. The remains of living things that have been turned into stone or have left an impression in a stone are called fossils. That is your true. Then the cave paintings of early humans were discovered by archaeologists. False. It was discovered by the children, those who were playing there in the jungle. Next is your match the following. So the way I have written, you can write like this only in your exams also. Homo sapiens, human, hominids, Australopithecus. Then Homo erectus, upright man, fossilized Lucy, Ethiopia. Then is your cave painting, natural dye. But question answers which are left now that I will discuss in next video. Have a good day children.